Hello everyone. If you want to add background color in Google Docs, first step, on the top, click on File, and from this list, click on Page Setup. Now, in Page Color section, click on drop down arrow and choose one of these color for your page background. Also, if you click on Add a custom color, you can create a color based on your needs, and also you can add hex code. After that, click on OK and click on OK. Now as you see, our page background color was changed. If you want change text color, select all them. You can use shortcut Ctrl plus A on Windows, Command plus A in Mac. And on the top menu, click on Text Color tool and choose a color based on your background, for example, white. And as you see, we change background color and we change text color. If you want back to normal or change again, click on File, click on Page Setup, and again click on drop down arrow and choose another color you want, for example white, and click on OK. Again select all text with shortcut and change the text color. Also you can use undo and redo action and back to your normal or back to another color. I hope this video was useful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.